Hello guys. Today, we learn how to give command or instruction to ChatGPT. We should open ChatGPT from Chrome browser as we learn in previous video. Now type, "Give me some ideas so that I can earn money from online." Here it is. You all can see how ChatGPT gathered all information from online source and give all possibilities way to earn money from online. You can earn money from freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, online gaming, etc. You should choose your favorite one and do smart work for it. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and you should visit my channel for Contact Me.